Vitamins are very important for the better growth and development of the body. If our bodies do not get the required amount of essential vitamins and minerals, many of the important body functions such as digestion, metabolism and immunity will gradually collapse. Biotin is one such vitamin that is very important for several functions of the body. Many serious diseases do happen due to the lack of this vitamin. In this video we're going to examine the biotin benefits of our health, hair and skin and nails. We're also going to be looking at the side effects as well. So what is biotin? Biotin is a water-soluble B vitamin, also known as vitamin B7 or vitamin H. This B vitamin naturally occurs in many of the common foods that we use in our daily diet. As several of the body functions and growth are closely involved with this vitamin, it is important to maintain healthy biotin levels in our body. So what are the biotin benefits for health, skin, hair and nails? The benefits of biotin are many, as this vitamin is very important for several functions of the body. It has great importance in the development of skin, hair, nails, nerves and overall growth of the body. It is true that biotin side effects do happen in the case of an overdose consumption of this vitamin in a supplement form. However, lack of this vitamin can cause much more havoc to the overall health of the body. Here is a list of the biotin benefits in a list. It can help metabolism of amino acids and fatty acids. It is beneficial to the body as it carries carbon dioxide, which is essential for converting proteins and fats into glucose energy. Biotin is useful and essential for the growth and substance of hair. Also, it helps in reducing breakages and premature loss of hair. It makes the nails strong and avoids cracks. Actually, brittle nails mostly are due to the lack of this B vitamin. Biotin is beneficial in the treatment of diabetes. Recent research suggests this vitamin is good for the stabilization of blood sugar. Biotin is also beneficial in the treatment of cradle cap, hepatitis and depression. It helps reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, and it's beneficial in reducing the risk of birth defects if you're pregnant. It's also good for weight loss, as biotin helps to improve metabolic function and works as a coenzyme to help the breakdown of carbohydrates, protein and fats. If you're suffering from biotin deficiency, the usual symptoms are dry, irritated skin, brittle hair or hair loss, lack of energy or chronic fatigue, digestion and intestinal tract issues, muscle aches and pains, nerve damage, mood changes, cramps, tingling in the limbs and cognitive impairments. Now let's take a look at the specific issue of biotin for hair growth. Does biotin work for hair growth? This is a widely debated and discussed topic amongst most dermatologists and hair experts. At the outset itself, it must be noted that there is insufficient scientific backing to prove the effectiveness of biotin for hair growth. However, this vitamin being such an important vitamin in helping several body functions and overall growth, there is a strong link between biotin and hair. Let us see how biotin helps in hair growth and in preventing hair loss. Biotin deficiency leads to hair breakage and hair loss, along with cracked and brittle nails. Biotin supplements have proven an effect on increased hair growth, reduction in hair fall and removal of hair dryness. Sulfur is one of the active components of biotin that is good for the production of collagen that will help in the growth of strong hair. Biotin is one of the essential nutrients required for the growth and regeneration of hair follicles from which the hairs develop. Biotin, together with vitamin E, helps the hair in maintaining natural hair moisture and also helps in adding shine to the hair. It is important to understand that hair growth depends on a combination of vitamins and minerals. Biotin or vitamin B7 is one of the vitamins required for hair growth and hair strength. An intake of vitamin B7 rich foods or supplements is a good way to help your hair to grow better. It is true that people who take alcohol tend to lose more hair than others because alcohol directly interferes with the effects of biotin. If you're suffering from excessive hair fall or breakage, it is good to do a clinical test to find if biotin levels in your body are low. If the test results indicate low levels of biotin in your body, then you can assume that biotin deficiency is one of the reasons that has made your hair weaker and highly prone to breakage. It is only the continuous growth of hair which will make your hair long. It is good to eat natural foods that contain biotin and other vitamins such as vitamin A and minerals like iron, zinc and potassium to make your hair grow healthy and long. It is also good to take prenatal vitamins to avoid hair loss issues usually experienced by women during pregnancy and also for the healthy development of the fetus. It's also good to know the side effects of biotin. Biotin is a naturally occurring vitamin in most common foods that we consume. If you already have a healthy and balanced daily diet, there is hardly any need to go for additional boost unless your doctor recommends it. Biotin is likely safe to consume as most people won't be affected by any adverse health effects from it. It is a water-soluble vitamin. Such vitamins typically will not be absorbed by the body in more than the required amount. Most of it will be removed through urine if the body doesn't need it. In every healthy person, the body has the natural capacity to tolerate biotin supplements. It is also found that injections containing vitamins B7 are also safe, provided the dosage does not exceed the clinically permissible amount. However, there are some cases where biotin side effects may happen. During pregnancy and breastfeeding, biotin supplements should not be taken without the recommendation of your doctor. The extra amount of biotin in the body is found to increase the risk of developing cystic acne on the chin and jawline. In such cases, the acne will naturally fade away a few weeks after you stop taking the biotin pill or supplement. An overdose of any vitamin or mineral in a supplement form is a sure way to have adverse effects on the health in the long run. In adults, the daily intake of biotin should not exceed 2,500 mcg. Drinking lots of water is a natural remedy to reduce the side effects of vitamin overdose. Allergic reactions are also possible in people who are normally sensitive to supplements and medicines. It is found that people who have allergies with vitamin B12 quite possibly face the same effect with biotin pills too. In this case, the allergic reactions are likely to take the form of nausea, itchy rashes, pain in the stomach or chest, and you should immediately consult a doctor if this is the case. Increased chance of miscarriage is a side effect of biotin when it is taken in a higher dose than you should take. It also is a risk for the health of the fetus as well. Never take any supplements or medicines during pregnancy without the recommendation of your doctor. The interactive issue with other medicines is one of the other known side effects of biotin. The vitamin B7 supplement can adversely interact with other medications used for epilepsy and cholesterol, making those medicines work less effectively. Blood glucose levels may also be affected adversely with the intake of biotin. Normally, vitamin B7 is useful for improving the blood sugar to a balanced level, but taking biotin supplements and diabetes medication at the same time can bring down the sugar levels lower than the optimum level. Finally, on the whole, biotin does not cause any side effects on health and can be consumed by any normal healthy person. So what are the best sources of a natural diet for biotin? Well, biotin is a common vitamin found in most of the common food items in our diet. However, some portion of the vitamin will get lost by cooking and preserving it. Here is a list of the best sources of biotin-rich foods. Now let's take a look at biotin pills and shampoo. With recent studies revealing the importance of biotin for hair growth, many shampoo manufacturers have come out with biotin shampoo hair and creams that promise improved hair growth and protection. However, the results of the shampoos with biotin for growth of hair are not known. It is obvious that vitamins work effectively from within the body. Topical applications of biotin have yet to be proved. If you would like to see the best biotin shampoos and supplements on the market, then click here and I'll take you to a web page with reviews. So what is the correct dosage of biotin? Biotin side effects usually occur because of an overdose of the vitamin in pills or supplements. The correct dose of biotin intake depends on the age of the person and the current biotin levels within the body. However, there is no scientific study that says the exact dose of biotin to be taken. Common recommendations only suggest that biotin intake beyond certain doses will be dangerous to health. Shown on the screen now is the general accepted recommended dietary allowance for biotin. So to conclude, biotin is an essential vitamin required for overall health of the body. It is well known for its benefits in hair growth and the development of beautiful nails. The body also needs this vitamin for better metabolism of carbohydrates and fats. It is good to consume natural foods that contain this vitamin in a natural form than taking the biotin pill or supplement. I hope now you've learned a lot more about the vitamin biotin, and if you like this